pastime where I met a girl nearly 3 times my age, but still she painted my world with her kind words. Soft curves, just a schoolboy crush. You remind me of her. She saw something in me. I was lonely and misunderstood. She asked me to write down my wildest schemes and offer slices of blueberry pie. I learned to dream. She'd say, what good's a dreamer without a believer? We all just need someone to care, one who might listen and root for our wishes, someone to simply be glad that we're there. What good's a hand if nobody needs holding, where everything else falls away? If no one believes her, what good's a dreamer anyway? Thank God for that place. Practically saved me. Those school kids just didn't take kind to this stranger, and I was